I've known since the day I was born. I'm no good, I'm a dud, I'm a lame duck. Nobody gives a fuck. It's okay, things will turn out that way. I am not a victim, just a stat, just a person who forgot where he is at. The days, the weeks, the months, the years, my hopes, my dreams, my chosen fears. I think it's time I change my life, shape up, ship out, and sacrifice. And when you hear the train whistle blow, no God's guiding another soul. Has the world lost its damn mind? It seems nobody is towing the goddamn line. Has the world lost its damn mind? Everyone is acting like it all is fine. Has the world lost its damn mind? It doesn't cost a red cent to be kind. The days, the weeks, the months, the years, the love I lost, the ocean made of my tears. I think it's time I change my life. Find God, lose weight and sacrifice. I lost my faith along the way. Now I am trying to find it to this very day. I lost my smile, my self-worth. I renounced my love and called my life a big curse. And when you hear the train whistle blow, no God's guiding another soul. Has the world lost its damn mind? Nobody is towing the goddamn line. Has the world lost its damn mind? Everyone is acting like it is all fine. Has the world lost its damn mind? It doesn't cost a red cent to be kind. Has the world lost its damn mind?